I'm planning this trade here. It's a daily range. If there's anything I realize, this is just before Frankfurt opens. Okay, on the SMT pair, which is pounds, you can see the previous day low had not been rated. This low here had not been rated, so SMT there plus the external range liquidity from this move. You see this leg here? I think it's much clearer on the 4 hours. Okay, it's much clearer on the 4 hours. This could be playing more like, this is more like a V shape here. Second. Like a V shape here. This could be just to internal liquidity. It's more like a V shape here. This can be more like internal liquidity, sweep it and then go back more up. So I believe this here is the overall target external range liquidity pool. It's much clearer on the 4 hours. Can you see that it's from more like that reversal pattern, head and shoulder pattern. Okay, here being the the right shoulder. Now this leg, we've had this soup here, and now it's coming back to the 50% range of this order flow, this move here. It gave us a clean entry yesterday. I was just unfortunate, like it was bad luck. They didn't tag me in before moving. My entry limit was not rightly placed. That's exactly why I lost it. Didn't get into the position, not that I lost it. So now this morning, so on pounds, there is a chance possibility that you go to this very high. Now on Euro USD, right, we have this. In the event that it goes more up, close above this FVG, making it in inverse FVG, I would be entry from there upon the open of Frankfurt or London. But for now, I do nothing because here we have a CRT and a CRT, and here is a key level. Chances are markets could come here, sweep this liquidity, sweep here before then going more up. So let's see what happens. But in the event that it goes close above this FVG, making it inverse, any pullback into this region here, I'll be taking it to go more for the daily target, because on the on DXY, DXY DXY didn't take the previous high. Sorry, DXY. See this? That's the opposite direction now. DXY didn't take the previous high. It didn't take the previous low rather. The low, a low on. It didn't this high. This is the previous day. Sorry. This is the current day that was being informing now. It didn't take the high. It didn't take this high, right? So that's an SMT there. If this had been taken, it means that there's no SMT. All right. And on the 6E, the true price and futures chart, it's clear as well that this low here had been taken. So this is a possible clean continuation CRT. What I'm just waiting for now before executing is the right time to take this trade. Now it's just before the Frankfurt Open. We're still like 30 minutes away. If I were to enter now, it could drag me down a bit before going more up, and I don't want to be dragged down. Can you see all of this? Relative equal lows, and they'll see I don't want to call it divine. There's another block down here that's yet to be mitigated creation of this in the creation of this leg, this V-shape reversal pattern up. This can be more like engineer liquidity down, sweep it, and then go more up. So the timing is not right yet for me to just execute this. But in the event that we get to Frankfurt opens and this FVG gets filled, getting fast, any pullback into this region, I'll be taking it to target the high of the day. So that's how I've actually had this from later today. Previous day low had been taken on into the FVG on it on EU. Okay, that's the key level there. On the pounds, it has not been taken. So let's see what happens when Frankfurt opens in 25 minutes. Yeah, back here you can see that it's been 5 6 minutes since Frankfurt opened on the pounds. The low of that 4 hour scan has been taken. On the EU, it has not been taken, which forms another SMT here, chance meaning that they might no longer call from this low for this low before the market goes for the high of the last 4 hours candle. For this reason, I'm just going to be entering this on the order block once the order block is formed. Upon the closure above, I have to step down, the last pull down, this here. Upon the close above that, which is in 7 minutes, I'll be taking it to go up from there. But I think it's done. Now is the time. So I'm entering a buy from here. I'm gonna put my stop loss around here to target the daily high. But if I were to put it here, there's no point for the price to come down here again. I could add more to this. Okay, good. Buy stop buy. No, stop loss is here. Target is up there. So let's see what happens. This other one here, just simply bad luck. My target here is still very much in sight. Just gonna wait and watch. Oh my god. Let me see that. This is brilliant. This is brilliant. Once it's target, we have like 3.60. So it took me out because of the news. I was victimized with that news. I knew that I was as very it was a target. So it happens sometimes. I knew that I was a target. You see that that was the eye that I was talking about yesterday. My cat was doing his thing. Don't panic. It's brilliant. This is brilliant. This is 2.7. No, make it to come and close above that. It's gone. Oh, it's gone. That's that edge. There can you see that edge? That's nice. Silver. Let me see silver. Silver too must have gone up. See that? Just still want to enter there. And then I would have been alerted. You see that? Fantastic. Fantastic. You see that, bro? Super duper beautiful. This is beautiful. Good. Nice. Nice. Nice, 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 nice. Today it was Wednesday classes, not Thursday. It's beautiful. Yes. You can check the time. I waited for that time to didn't foam up here. I waited for Frankfurt to open, and then it was London. Got in around here. London eventually opened. Plus after the SMT here, the 4 hours uh, candle was SMT here, and corresponding house. I mean that high there was for taking, just like I explained yesterday. Can you see that? All these things are not going to know to. So there was SMT there on the 4 hours on the daily. So I was actually going for the high, but getting fear pocket, get out. There was no point being greedy. There will be an opportunity presenting itself later in the future. Right? And then Siva gave me an opportunity. I wasn't, really in on taking that. That was it on the 4 hours. Siva, I'm good. That's it there. Came back. I was supposed to hit that. Is it? That was my entry there. Now, it's no longer like new or how is it possible for someone to get in that week? Anticipated. The question now I'm finding answer to now is why? Why this? I knew this is what the other block created before meaning the other block was created. This you can call it also a demand zone created to take out all this liquidity here in the other block that was created in the breaking out of this downward move, the shifting market structure. Price will always seek to come back there to rebalance before going more up. So this was more like a rebalance. If I had not gotten it here, maybe if I had not gotten it here, this would be another perfect entry as another setup there to go higher. So I was just active. That's why I didn't take that. Though it was there for you to trigger me upon it coming down there. See, it was set. Then it deliver smoothly. And it's actually a build up from this inefficiency here, the fact that market refuses to close below and the wick just doing the damage. Market refuses to close below, all this, the wick here doing the damage, already suggesting that this high here is not safe. Alright, that was it. I'm gonna just keep this to myself.